Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase a Tentrade funded account, the evaluation and the instant funded account. So for those people who have been asking about how they can actually purchase an account, especially those that are new, I'm going to be showing you in today's video. All right guys, let's dive right into it. All right, guys, welcome back. So what you need to do is to log into your Tentrade account. I believe by now you should have deposited into your wallet, but if you don't know how to deposit into your wallet, I made a video on that already. It's on a YouTube channel. So just scroll down through our videos. You're going to see it right there. Then again, I'm also going to attach the link to how to deposit and withdraw in Tentrade. All right. So once you log in, you come into the menu segment. You scroll down to where you have funded trader. You have what is funded trader. In case you don't know what is funded trader, you can tap on this. Then if you want to purchase an account, what you should do is to click the apply now. I'm going to tap on it. All right. So if you have purchased an account before, it's going to show you this. All right. So I was doing an experiment and I basically purchased this account. All right. So I'll just give it to someone. Or I trade it. So we want to take you out now. For those of you that might have purchased before, don't make that mistake. You just have to click this, tap on it to set everything, reset it. But if you have not purchased any account before, this is how it's going to show like this now. This is how it's going to show. So you have the instant funding. I'll tap on it. Then you have the evaluation. Now, I believe we know what the instant funding means. So you have you get an account that is already funded, that you don't need to pass any evaluation. Any profit you make, you split 70-30. You get 70, Tentrade gets 30. Our evaluation challenge is the one that you get to pass test. So I believe I've educated you guys on this. So we're strictly here on how to purchase an account. So if you are going for the instant funded, you select the instant funded, then account type you have right here. So you tap on it. You have the micro, which is for the $3, mini 110, bronze 330, silver 990, gold 2400, diamond 5500. All right. So the next one that you have is the master, $11,000. So all these are instant funded accounts. So that is, if you want to go for this one, you don't want to pass evaluation stage. If you don't want it, then you just tap on evaluation challenge to pop up. Then you click on select. Then you have this milling challenge is $32, bronze challenge $106, silver challenge is $280, gold challenge is $439. Yeah, you can see the rest. All right. So anyone you want, you just select it. So let me just select anyone. Let's just say a master challenge account. Master challenge account is 1,650. So once selected, what do? You scroll down. Yeah. Once you scroll down, you click continue. The moment you tap on continue, you have purchased the account. You get a mail containing your logins. Then you go to that mail, copy the logins, go to your MT5 and paste it right there. Then you are logged in. So that is it. If I click continue now, it's going to show me sufficient because I did not put any money in the wallet. All right, so let me just tap on it to show you guys. All right, you can see the balance on my wallet is not enough. So what if you have money there, it will show you that you purchase the account in the wallet. Okay, so this is how you get to purchase your account. Don't get yourself confused. If you are using a phone, it's still the same thing. You select the type of account that you want and scroll down. Some persons don't even know where to click the button. They don't know what next. So if you don't know anything about your funded account, look at the information right here. You have the explanation for your instant funded and your evaluation right here. Okay, so how you can actually know the rules is right here. Everything has been broken down. Okay, so that is it, guys. Then you click continue, and that's how you purchase your account and you start trading ASAP. All right, so if you're new, make sure you use our link in the description below. Also use our promo code to register so that you can benefit from our funded trader signal room. We give free signals on that for funded traders who register through FX Media. So once you do that and you purchase your account with a promo code, then you send me a message. All right, then we confirm and add you to the group. It's totally free, so don't worry about that. So this is how to deposit. Sorry, not how to deposit. This is how to purchase an account. So like I said, if you don't know how to deposit. I already made a video on that, and also the understanding the challenge account and instant funded accounts. I made a video on that. Just go through my YouTube channel and you see these educative videos. All right. So guys, what are you waiting? Start trading ASAP. Let's go.